Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. How to make strawberry mousse in just 5 minutes. Craving a quick and delicious dessert? Try this creamy, fluffy strawberry mousse that takes just 5 minutes to make. Perfect for parties, special occasion or a sweet treat any day. No baking, no hassle, just simple ingredients and big flavor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making strawberry mousse: fresh strawberries, condensed milk, strawberry pulp and fresh cream. Preparation method: to a glass add 1 cup of fresh finely chopped strawberries. Add half cup of condensed milk. Add half cup of strawberry pulp. Add fresh cream. Garnish with chopped strawberries. Strawberry mousse is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.